Hello, in front of me I've got FORD FIESTA. In this video I'll show you how to change radio station. To change radio station, take a look at the screen display and next go to radio, and now you can change radio station by pressing this button and going to radio station list. Next, you can select by pressing buttons from 1 to 0, and by switching to next or previous radio station. In the end, you can manually adjust radio station by pressing this button and adjusting it on this slider. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.